Open Windows Settings. Click the search bar and type sound, then select sound settings from the results. 2. Check master volume. Make sure your master volume is set to 100%. 3. Open sound control panel. On the right side of the sound settings window, click sound control panel. 4. Adjust playback device settings. In the playback tab, select your active audio device, for example speakers, and double-click it. 5. Enable enhancements. Go to the Enhancements tab. Make sure Immediate Mode is unchecked. Check both Loudness Equalization and Equalizer. With Equalizer selected, open the drop-down menu and turn up all the sliders to maximum. 6. Save your settings. Click Save, give your preset a name, like Volume Boost, then click Apply and OK. Your system volume should now be significantly louder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.